Hi, I'm Marie and welcome to this brief outline of how I build up a complex surface in watercolour using layering. So I'm painting this beautiful peony and I really want to make the most of all of the different colours that I can see within the flower and its outer sepals. I start off by mapping out my colours using light washes. And then, as you can see here, once I've done that, I come back in with a thicker consistency of each colour to strengthen the areas where needed. And I let each layer dry before coming back in with my thicker mix of pigment, and I'll come back in as often as I need to reach the depth of colour that I want. Now I'll also come in to paint in the markings and the detail that is on the different areas of the sepals here. After I've added these in, I use a barely damp brush to just very gently blend them and help them settle into the background layer. I find that adding in these little markings and blemishes really adds to the character and interest of the painting. So then I just continue to move around the flower, building up each area in the same way, letting the layer dry, and when it is, I come back in and add another wash or a layer of detail over the top, whichever is needed. As I build up the layers, I begin to add smaller and smaller areas of colour, just to add a hint in places. And I always come back in with my clean damp brush and gently blend around the edges so that each layer, no matter how large or small, ends up settling into the one beneath it. And in this way you are able to build up a richly textured surface. It's a lot of fun building up these beautiful colours, and if you'd like to take the whole tutorial, you can do so by joining the Watercolor Members Club. The link is below. There is also a link for a free tutorial if you'd like to give this method of painting a go. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tips and technique videos. Goodbye for now.